If you've ever felt slowed down by your tools, limited by time, or boxed in by process, this one's for you. In this video, you'll learn how generative AI, specifically a tool like Adobe Firefly, can help you move from idea to execution faster and at the same quality level and with more flexibility and less friction. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, being able to clearly express your vision is everything. Let's get into it. When inspiration hits, you want to move. You want to sketch, build, explore. That first spark comes fast, but turning it into something real and doing it efficiently is where things often get stuck. Here's a tip. The next time this happens, try generative AI. Sometimes the result is spot on. Other times it surprises you in the best way. Maybe it adds a detail you hadn't considered, or maybe it shifts your perspective. You realize what you don't like, causing you to rethink in a new direction. Either way, it helps you move faster, especially when you're working across teams and need to align quickly. And here's where the real shift happens. With Firefly, you're not just creating faster, you're creating better. More versions, more variety, more time to explore. Think of it as a new creative triangle. Quality, variety, and time. Want high-quality work with lots of variations? That takes time. Need it fast and polished? You'll likely limit how many directions you can explore. But now, you don't have to choose. Firefly helps you generate more ideas, explore more directions, and do it all in less time. It's like removing the limit from your brainstorm. You can keep going until the best idea rises to the top, not just the one that fit the deadline. And with tools like Photoshop and Adobe Express, you can continue to transform your AI creations into high-quality outputs. Here's how one global brand used generative AI to do just that. Mattel launches thousands of new products every year, and each one needs packaging that pops and connects it with the right audience. Their design teams usually start with blue lines or simple sketches that outline early concepts. But those sketches don't always tell the full story, especially for the teams outside of that design team. With Adobe Firefly, Mattel's designers can generate more complete packaging prototypes using just a few words. These visuals look closer to the final product, making it easier for everyone, from marketing to manufacturing, get on the same page, give feedback, and move forward. Take the Sue Bird edition of the role model Barbie doll. Sue Bird is a 5-time Olympic gold medalist and Basketball Hall of Famer. The packaging needed to reflect that energy, like she was standing in a real court. The team used a prompt to generate a concept, and Firefly delivered something unexpected: stadium lights. That detail wasn't in the prompt, but it added the perfect vibe. And once the concept was approved, the team used Adobe Creative Cloud apps to fine-tune the design. So features like Generative Expand and Generative Fill helped them adapt the artwork for different formats fast. No need to start over and no need to recreate assets. The same tools can work for you. Use Firefly to mock up visuals for a pitch deck, build storyboards for a campaign, or explore new directions before your next creative review. Generative AI can help speed up your process, but it doesn't replace your creativity, it supports it. The spark still starts with you. Firefly just helps you bring it to life, faster and with more clarity. So the next time you're staring at a blank canvas, try describing some of your ideas to get started. It won't be the final result, but it may be just what you need.